I'm going driving school.
Driving school?
Yeah.
What are you going to be doing?
I'm going to drive a truck.
When?
Oh, I don't know when Tonka let me.
With Tonka lets you?
Yeah, when Tonka let me.
Ah.
I don't know.
Has the truck got a horn?
It's a horn go toot 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 toot.
Oh, it just goes toot toot?
Toot toot.
It doesn't go
It goes I go toot toot.
All right. So look at your backpack.
No, like that.
Oh, that's pretty.
America.
Oh.
I'm Mexican, but I'm going to America. But I'll be driving like a Mexican, like they do in Mexico. I don't pay attention to nobody and nothing. I got 80,000 pounds. Get out of my way. I'm coming through.
How come your voice changed? You grew up all of a sudden.
Well, you know, I have to be responsible. So, you know, proper hair, proper hat.
So when you're excited, you put your hat on how?
When I'm excited, I put my hat like this.
And where are you going?
I'm going to
And do you know where this is going?
It's better not.
It is.
Better not.
It is.
It's better not.